Swing your arms while marching and tighten your core throughout. To engage the core, imagine tucking in your belly button while also drawing your pelvic floor up and in, similar to the feeling of quickly blowing out a candle. Exhale as you exert force. This move is used as the recovery/transition between exercises to keep the calorie burn going. Jog in place instead of marching to burn even more calories. Benefit: warms up the body, gradually gets the calorie burn going, and keeps it continuous between exercises without overloading the joints. Exhale and tighten the core when lifting the leg, keeping the knee high and close to the stomach. Inhale and relax the core when lowering. When lifting the arms, pull the muscles between the shoulder blades together and let the elbows open backward while relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears. This helps thin the back and improve posture, hunching, forward neck. Benefit: burns calories effectively while improving upper back posture and reducing hunching. Tighten the core and keep the feet light and flexible while sidestepping. Open the shoulders back and keep the spine straight. Tighten the muscles between the shoulder blades when lifting the arms. Hold briefly at the top, then drop into a cross. Exhale when exerting force, inhale on return. Benefit: combines cardio with upper body toning, working the shoulders, back, and core together. Lift the legs as high as possible while keeping the upper body straight. When opening the arms back, drive the movement from the muscles between the shoulder blades, with both shoulders opening backward. Exhale while tightening the stomach and drawing the pelvic floor up and in. Inhale while releasing that engagement, core reset. Benefit: a high-intensity cardio move that burns calories quickly while strengthening the core and improving upper back posture. Tighten the core and kick the heel toward the glutes. Keep the knee pointing toward the ground and the thigh vertical. Don't let the knee travel forward to protect the knee joint. This move strengthens the hips and back of the thighs, which counters weakness from sedentary lifestyles and helps prevent anterior pelvic tilt and knee hyperextension. Benefit: strengthens the hamstrings and glutes, helping correct posture issues like anterior pelvic tilt caused by prolonged sitting. Tighten the core and hook the toes. Kick the foot outward firmly, lifting the leg as high as possible. Exhale when kicking, inhale when returning to position. Move at a controlled pace, letting the movement follow the breath rather than rushing. Benefit: strengthens the hip flexors and thighs while improving leg flexibility and balance. Tap your heels while keeping the core tightened, including the pelvic floor. Draw the tailbone slightly under and lift the pelvic floor muscles up and in. Keep the back naturally straight with shoulders open backward, not rounded inward. Exhale when lifting the leg, inhale when dropping it. Benefit: activates the core and glutes while improving posture and coordination. Spread the knee outward and lift it as high as possible to touch the elbow. Perform twice on each side before switching. Exhale when lifting the leg while tightening the core for balance. Inhale when lowering the leg and relaxing the core. Extending the knee further and lifting higher increases the effectiveness for reducing the waistline and strengthening the core, though it is more tiring. Benefit: highly effective for trimming the waistline and strengthening the obliques and core. Fold one leg so the knee points out to the side and the ankle rests near the opposite thigh. Then lift and reach with the opposite side hand to touch that ankle. Keep the upper body straight and shoulders open back throughout, engaging the muscles between the shoulder blades so you don't hunch forward. Exhale and tighten the core as you lift and reach for the ankle. Inhale and relax as you lower back down. Perform for the set duration, then switch sides. Step side to side with a slight knee bend. No need for a deep squat until the knee muscles are stronger to avoid knee pain. Keep the upper body straight and shoulders open back. At the top of the arm lift, tighten and press the shoulder blades together and down, as if drawing them close and pressing the inner shoulder blade edge downward. Move slowly and with control. Benefit: tones the shoulders and upper back while being gentle on the knees. Lift the arm and the opposite leg together while keeping the core tightened for stability. Exhale when lifting, tightening the core. Inhale when lowering the arms and legs and relaxing the core. Benefit: improves core stability, balance, and coordination between opposite limbs. Bend the knees slightly for the lower body while keeping the core and hips engaged for stability. For the upper body, relax the shoulders when lifting the hands and avoid shrugging or shrinking the neck. Exhale and tighten the core when lifting the arms. Inhale and relax when lowering. Drive the arms backward using the muscles between the shoulder blades rather than letting them drop passively. Benefit: builds lower body stability and improves shoulder posture through controlled, low-impact movement. Exhale and tighten the core when lifting the leg, keeping the knee high and close to the stomach. Inhale and relax the core when lowering. When lifting the arms, pull the muscles between the shoulder blades together and let the elbows open backward while relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears. This helps thin the back and improve posture, hunching, forward neck. Benefit: burns calories effectively while improving upper back posture and reducing hunching. Place both hands beside your head, elbows out wide. Keeping the core tight, lift one knee up so the elbow on the same side meets it in the middle, then return to start. Exhale as you lift the knee and crunch the elbow toward it. Inhale as you reset. Focus on bringing the knee up to meet the elbow, rather than pulling the elbow down to the knee, and keep the motion driven by the core rather than momentum. Perform on one side for the set duration, then switch and repeat on the other side. This move effectively targets the waistline and obliques. Start with arms raised overhead and the working leg extended back straight on the floor. In one controlled motion, chop your arms down and across your body while simultaneously lifting the leg up to meet them, engaging your core through the movement. Reverse smoothly. Raise the arms back overhead as the leg lowers back down. Exhale as you chop down and lift the leg. Inhale as you return to the start. Perform for 50 seconds on each side, keeping the motion controlled rather than rushed, and let your breath guide the pace. Straighten the back, open the shoulders backward, relax the neck, and tighten the core. Lift the knee as high as possible toward the abdomen. Exhale when lifting the leg, inhale when lowering it. Keep the pace steady and controlled, following the breath. Benefit: engages the core and hip flexors, helping tone the abdomen and improve balance. Lift the legs as high as possible while keeping the upper body straight. When opening the arms back, drive the movement from the muscles between the shoulder blades, with both shoulders opening backward. Exhale while tightening the stomach and drawing the pelvic floor up and in. Inhale while releasing that engagement, core reset. Benefit: a high-intensity cardio move that burns calories quickly while strengthening the core and improving upper back posture. Fully expand the armpits when lifting the arms upward, moving the elbows toward the back of the head with hands directly overhead. When bending to touch the ground, avoid bending the back too quickly. Try to straighten the legs until a stretch is felt in them. Exhale and tighten the core while lifting the leg to touch the knee with the hand. Inhale and relax the core as the leg lowers. Benefit: combines a hamstring stretch with core engagement, improving flexibility and toning together. Tap your heels while keeping the core tightened, including the pelvic floor. Draw the tailbone slightly under and lift the pelvic floor muscles up and in. Keep the back naturally straight with shoulders open backward, not rounded inward. Exhale when lifting the leg, inhale when dropping it. Benefit: activates the core and glutes while improving posture and coordination. Swing your arms while marching and tighten your core throughout. To engage the core, imagine tucking in your belly button while also drawing your pelvic floor up and in, similar to the feeling of quickly blowing out a candle. Exhale as you exert force. This move is used as the recovery/transition between exercises to keep the calorie burn going. Jog in place instead of marching to burn even more calories. Benefit: warms up the body, gradually gets the calorie burn going, and keeps it continuous between exercises without overloading the joints.